This demonstration video is a summary of the basic care, handling, and maintaining the life and function of your 4-way articulating 4mm diameter borescope. The bending or articulating portion of the camera tip is the most vulnerable part of the borescope, so the use of this function should be executed carefully. Always torque only one side of the lever at a time. Make sure the tip is at a straight angle before using the other lever. Using both levers at once will create unnecessary stress on the cable and could damage or shorten the life and eventually affect the functionability of the tool. When using the borescope, take caution to prevent hard impacts to the camera and articulating area. When removing from an enclosure, take care to slowly remove the insertion tube. Removing too quickly could cause the tip to catch or snag and cause trauma to the tool, resulting in the breaking or damaging of the borescope. Never immerse the camera probe in any liquid for a long period of time. While the probe is water resistant, prolonged exposure to liquid could cause damage to the camera. Do not allow the camera probe to come in any contact with liquid other than water, salt water, machine, or diesel oil. The probe is not designed to be acid-base resistant or chemical resistant. Also, never use the camera probe in any type of explosive environment. Make sure your borescope's monitor is tightly connected to the cable camera and the connection screw is tightened securely. Do this by turning and tightening the ring in a counterclockwise direction. Never disassemble the monitor and cable camera probe if not necessary. Inappropriately connecting the monitor to the camera probe can damage the connection pins. Also, please note that the monitor and handle portion of the borescope are not water resistant like the insertion tube. For cleaning your camera end, use a soft fabric or cotton swabs. For cleaning the lens, dab water or alcohol on a clean cloth and wipe clean. For the rest of the unit, clean by wiping with a soft, dry cloth. To summarize the most important points, make sure your articulating camera probe is given special attention during use. Paying attention to the vulnerable components, making sure to use the levers by bending individually, and by being careful of hard impacts to the camera. Also, make sure not to remove the monitor from the unit unless absolutely necessary. Constant changing can damage the pins and damage the connection. We advise that only a trained technician or engineer change these components when necessary. Routinely maintaining your borescope will prolong the life of your tool and ensure optimal performance for your inspections. For any other questions on this subject, please contact us at Oasis Scientific.